Hi, my name is Jason Ritterkoff and I'm from Stony Plain, Alberta. I've been demoing the MotoMaster all-purpose cleaner and degreaser around the house and have been really impressed with the way it works. It requires minimal scrubbing effort. It just requires you to apply it, and about 5 minutes later you can rinse that off. We've used it on a number of things, and today we'll just show you how well it works on this mildew that is starting to change the color on the fiberglass of this trailer. I put some in a squirt bottle here, and we'll just go ahead and give it a little bit of a squirt, and in about 5 minutes we'll be ready to spray that off. And when I return, you'll be able to see just how well this product has worked. Well, there you have it. Couple minutes of dwell time, a light touch with the automotive wash brush, and this door is just go back to normal. So once again, I would certainly recommend the MotoMaster all-purpose cleaner and degreaser to friends and to family. In fact, I like the way it's done this so well, I'm going to go out and get another jug for myself.